Almost all of the processes in the world we live in are assisted by machines and technology. One of the biggest help these innovations made lies in how they speed up heavy tasks without risking the safety of anyone. In today's Mighty Machines video, we will be looking at how these modern technologies are used in trail railway tracks replacement. This video will also show you different processes that modern technology has revolutionized. But before that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related videos. Coming up first on the list is the RWE 100 cutter wheel. This is an impressive attachment designed to help excavators speed up the tasks in a demolition process. This machine is manufactured by the company Simx. Ever since its release, this machine has been known as the biggest wheel saw in their range, thanks to its two high-displacement radial piston motors that can deliver high torque. This machine also has a cutting force enough to tackle the task of cutting through concrete, asphalt, and even rock. With different cutting wheel sizes, it can cut through depths ranging from 800 millimeters to 1,000 millimeters. This makes it suitable for various applications, from creating set-section trenches to breaking down concrete floors. Next on our list is the Hitachi Eh AC3. This mighty dump truck is specifically made to haul massive quantities of material, even in the face of harsh mining sites. Thanks to its 101 to 350 tons payload capacity, it can haul heavy loads in just one go. Truly, a machine for productivity and efficiency. One thing that this machine boasts so much about is its AC drive system. This system allows the operators to experience a smoother and quicker operation during various maneuvers like starting, uphill climbs, and steering. On top of that, the machine itself is built with a sturdy frame and a pitch control system so it can work on uneven terrain. Now let us move on to the Grimma SE 260. This self-propelled two-row potato harvester is a machine made to take up 2 rows of potatoes simultaneously, which increases harvesting speed and productivity in medium to large-scale potato farming. But what is unique to this machine? Well, this is designed with a main web concept that uses a series of webs and rollers to gently separate potatoes from soil and debris while minimizing damage to the crop. This speeds up the whole process without sacrificing the cleanliness and quality of the harvest. This harvester is also complete with a 6-ton capacity bunker for storing harvested potatoes. This reduces the need for frequent unloading, allowing for continuous harvesting. Another machine harvester that revolutionized agriculture is the tomato harvester from Guaresi. This not only eliminates the need for a separate tractor, but also allows the harvesting in multiple tomato rows at once. The machine works through the help of a shaker system. This is programmed to gently dislodge ripe tomatoes from the vines. These tomatoes are then collected on conveyor belts and sorted electronically by size and maturity. This reduces reliance on manual labor for picking, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Still on the topic of harvesters, it is important that we do not skip on Tenus Almond harvester. Just like the previous ones, this is a self-propelled machine too. Aside from eliminating the need for a separate tractor, it also removes the need for multiple workers, since this can shake trees, gather nuts, and de-shell them in a single continuous operation. The manufacturers of this machine made sure to add in some features that will help the farmers in their harvest. One of them is the adjustable timer for the shaker. This ensures that only ripe almonds are dislodged from the trees, minimizing the collection of immature nuts that can affect the overall quality of the harvest. In total, this machine can gently harvest 5 to 6 trees per minute. Cool, right? Coming back to Grimme, it is now time to look at their Verron 470 Terra, which is a self-propelled 4-row potato harvester designed for high performance and efficiency in various harvesting conditions. This machine is built to tackle up to 4 potato rows simultaneously, which increases harvesting speed and productivity. This machine works through the use of a full-width intake web. What this does is ensuring that there is a smooth and efficient flow of potatoes from the field into the harvester. This minimizes blockages and allows for superior operator visibility of the entire intake process. All of these features come together thanks to its 490 horsepower engine that gives the machine the muscle to handle demanding harvesting tasks. Next up, this is the John Deere C770 cotton harvester. This machine is known for its spindle technology, which allows operators to selectively pick cotton bolls with minimal damage to the plant or unopened bolls. It also has other variations that use a stripping action to remove mature cotton bolls from the plant. It's a good option for high-volume harvesting where some leaf trash might be acceptable in the final product. According to John Deere, this line of cotton harvesters has 20% improved harvesting speed, while offering 20% lower fuel consumption too. Aside from that, this is also built with a new module building system that creates denser cotton modules. This translates to needing less wrapping material and potentially fewer hauling trips, leading to significant cost savings. Grimme is known for its harvesters, and one of them is the Grima Rexor 6300 Platinum. This is a self-propelled and high-performance sugar beet harvester, complete with a spacious bunker and powered by a strong engine. These features allow the machine to harvest beets at such high speeds too. To ensure smoothness and efficiency of the operation, this machine is equipped with an OptiFlow system. This minimizes damage to the crop and maintains its quality. In addition, the harvester is designed to minimize the distance sugar beets drop during the harvesting process. This reduces the risk of bruising or damaging the beets and helps to maintain their quality and marketability. Now, we are slowly moving past harvesters. This time, we will be looking at the Green Climber LV80. This machine has been named as a champion in the world of remote-controlled slope mowers since it can take jobs that are too dangerous for a human operator on uneven terrain. Thanks to its hydraulically expandable rubber tracks, this machine is still extremely stable even when working with slopes up to 60 degrees. It is also powered by a strong engine that allows it to tackle tough vegetation like trees up to 8 inches in diameter. On top of that, it is designed with a 500-foot remote control distance. This keeps the operator away from potentially hazardous environments like steep slopes or areas with falling debris. The Degelman Rock King 9600 is a massive rock picker that can easily remove boulders and other trash from large areas. It bears the title of being the biggest rock picker ever constructed by Degelman. This huge machine has a grate that is 8 feet wide, a bucket that holds 5 cubic yards, and a dumping height that is more than 7 feet. With the ability to handle rocks up to nearly 2 feet in diameter, the Rock King 9600 will leave your field smooth and prepared for planting. Degelman touts the Rock King 9600 as not just powerful, but also innovative. Many of the features incorporated into the machine are the result of customer suggestions, ensuring it addresses the needs of farmers. The 1050K is a very powerful dozer by John Deere. It's built to clear land, make roads, and handle big jobs at mines and quarries. Curious to know what makes it special? Here you go. First of all, this machine is powered by a super strong engine. Its 350 horsepower John Deere PowerTech engine delivers superior power-to-weight ratio, allowing the dozer to push through tough jobs with ease. This makes it possible for the dozer to push through tough jobs easily too. In addition to that, it also has a special transmission that makes turning while carrying heavy loads so easy. This is known as the dual-path hydrostatic transmission. John Deere incorporates many reliable components from their K-series dozers, including a strong unitized mainframe and isolated planetary final drives. Large-scale olive farming calls for a machine like the Oxbow 6420 Super High Density Olive Harvester. Known as the SHD for its capacity to handle densely planted olive groves, it has several remarkable features to complete the task quickly. Even the largest olive trees growing up to 9 feet high can have their olives harvested by this machine. Additionally, it features unique arms that capture and gently shake the branches, allowing the olives to drop onto a conveyor belt that removes them. Before the fruit is picked, 3 cleaning fans make sure that leaves and twigs are separated from it. Also designed for speed is the 6420. Its strong engine enables it to harvest effectively and move swiftly between groves. A 3-row straddle tractor made especially for grape picking is the Anjur P200. Poetically speaking, the term enjambure, which literally means enjambment, is a French word for a word or phrase that stays after the end of a poem line. This choice of word for the name of the machine emphasizes how much its manufacturers want to highlight some of its features. This machine is part of the company's efforts to create and release more green innovations. Operators can now hit their target productivity without causing much negative effects to the environment. The Kuhn Optimer L300 is a tractor-mounted machine built to tackle stubble after harvest. Think of it as a giant rake that shreds and mixes leftover crop residue back into the soil. This is important for several reasons. By chopping up the stubble, the Optimer L300 helps it decompose faster, returning nutrients to the soil for the next crop. It also helps control weeds and prepares the soil for planting by creating a smooth, even seed bed. The L300 is designed for smaller to medium-sized farms. Compact disc harrows like the Lemken Heliodor 9 are made for different types of tillage work. It can be applied to surface residue incorporation, seed bed preparation, and stubble cultivation. For farmers, this makes it a true all-arounder. Additionally, it is available in a range of operating widths, from a small 2 meters to a large 16 meters. Furthermore, it can operate at a depth of up to 12 centimeters. With the flexibility to make modifications while on the road, hydraulic depth control guarantees uniform tillage over your field. The smallest Heliodor 9 model requires a minimum of 50 horsepower, while the largest Heliodor 9 model requires up to 160 horsepower. This implies that farms with a range of tractor sizes may find it to be a good alternative. The ELO Cobra 7710T is a tractor-powered forage harvester designed to bring efficiency and muscle to your harvest. Unlike some self-propelled harvesters, the Cobra connects to your existing tractor's PTO or power takeoff shaft. This can be a cost-effective option if you already have a powerful tractor on your farm. The Cobra 7710T isn't afraid of a challenge. It boasts a direct PTO-driven chopping rotor, eliminating the need for gearboxes that can sap power. This translates to reliable performance, even in tough conditions. The pickup utilizes proven rotor tether technology to gently lift forage material towards dual feeder augers. These augers continuously transport the crop to compression rollers for processing. The Oxbow 5170 detasseler is a machine designed specifically to remove tassels from corn plants during seed production. Tassels are the flowering parts of the corn plant, and they need to be removed to prevent pollination and ensure the development of high-quality seeds. Light beams positioned in opposition to each other are used in the sensor system of the 5170. This enables it to accurately identify variations in plant height, guaranteeing that only tassels are cut off and that the priceless corn ears that produce seeds sustain as little harm as possible. With its sturdy chassis design, the 5170 is built to withstand harsh field conditions. Even at high speeds, it offers a comfortable ride and simple turning for effective operation. This beast of a machine boasts a massive drum equipped with numerous flails. As the CT718 travels along the compost windrow, the rotating drum with flails breaks up, mixes, and aerates the compost material. This is essential for proper decomposition, as it allows oxygen to reach all parts of the pile and promotes the growth of beneficial microbes that break down organic matter. The CT718 is available in 3 drive options to suit your needs: 4-wheel drive for maximum maneuverability, 2-wheel drive with rear casters for a more affordable option, or a short-track 2-wheel drive for navigating tight spaces. The operator enjoys a comfortable cab with features like easy-to-read controls, side and rear view cameras for improved visibility, and even an activated carbon filtration system to minimize dust and odors. The Cat 16 GC motor grader is a dependable and reasonably priced tool intended for use in medium to large-scale building projects. Because of its simple maintenance and operation, there are less initial and ongoing expenses. With its well-established design and dependable Cat components, you can be sure it's made to last. Additionally, the 16GC uses less gasoline thanks to its standard Eco mode and on-demand cooling fan. In addition, operators can effortlessly and precisely attain the intended grading outcomes because of the user-friendly controls and cozy cabin atmosphere. Despite its focus on affordability, the 16GC packs a punch with a powerful Cat C13 engine. This ensures it has the muscle to handle demanding grading tasks on your construction site. The Fimax model FMV12 mixer feeder is a farm machine designed to precisely blend and distribute feed for livestock, specifically targeting farms with 120 to 150 animals. It's a vertical mixer feeder, meaning the mixing mechanism runs vertically within a large tub. The FMV12 boasts a 12 cubic meter capacity, ideal for preparing large batches of feed for medium-sized herds. A drag hose system called the VIN Rotomax is made to deliver slurry to fields as efficiently and with as little harm to the soil as possible. The Rotomax employs a drag hose in contrast to conventional tankers that drive on fields. Compaction of the soil is greatly decreased, which is important for crop growth and the preservation of a healthy soil structure. The Rotomax does away with the necessity for lengthy cycles of tanker loading and unloading. The drag hose's constant flow of slurry makes it possible to fertilize continuously, increasing production. The RU800S, also known as the Switelski RU800S, isn't your typical farm machine. It's a behemoth designed for one purpose: revolutionizing railroad track renewal. This track renewal marvel is a collaborative effort between Placer & Thurrer, a railway machine manufacturer, and Switelski, a construction company. Working like a giant assembly line, the RU800S tackles multiple tasks simultaneously. As it crawls along the tracks, it removes old sleepers, inserts new concrete ones, replaces rails if needed, and even redistributes ballast for optimal track support. It has a weight of roughly 650 tons, which is about 300 times a Mercedes G-Wagon. This allows it to work efficiently, replacing up to 2 kilometers of track per day. Next in line is the Teratech hand-powered mulching unit, which is a manual mulching machine designed for efficient and easy application of mulch in greenhouses, high tunnels, or small field spaces where larger machinery might not be practical. Unlike other machines, this one highly relies on human power for operation, which removes the need for tractors and other motorized equipment. The Teratech Mulcher boasts an adjustable width accommodating a range of mulch bed sizes, typically from 36 inches to 60 inches. This allows for customization to fit your specific needs. The Simx PL2000 is a machine specifically made for skid steer loaders to tackle asphalt scarification tasks. It boasts an impressive milling width of 2 meters, which makes it the widest cold planer attachment available for skid steer loaders. Thanks to this, there is a significant increase in efficiency compared to narrower milling attachments. The PL2000 is equipped with a durable milling drum that ensures clean and efficient removal of asphalt layers. Its manufacturers also intended it to work with seamless integration with various skid steer loader models. The FM4900 Hydro is a powerful irrigation machine designed by Fasterholt for large-scale agricultural operations. Equipped with a spacious hose drum, the FM4900 Hydro can handle long hose lengths, typically in the range of 800 meters for 110 millimeter hose diameter and 650 meters for 125 millimeter hose diameter. This allows for irrigating vast fields in a single pass, significantly reducing the need for frequent machine relocations. The Mantsinen 300 transloader is a champion in the world of material handling equipment, designed for heavy-duty tasks in demanding port environments. At its core, the Mantsinen 300 boasts a powerful engine and hydraulic system capable of lifting and handling massive loads efficiently. However, this machine is more than just muscle. It is also a versatile machine that can be equipped with a variety of attachments to suit different cargo handling needs in ports. This makes it ideal for handling bulk materials like scrap metal, wood chips, or even loose cargo. The JCB HTD5 is a compact, walk-behind or ride-on diesel-powered mini-tracked dumper. Designed for maneuverability and ease of use, it's ideal for tasks in tight spaces or on delicate surfaces like landscaping or construction sites. With a width of just 690 millimeter, the HTD5 can fit through standard doorways and navigate narrow areas inaccessible to larger machines. Despite its small size, the HTD5 boasts an impressive 1,450 millimeter dumping height. This allows it to easily tip materials directly into skips or high-sided vehicles. Plus, it is also equipped with a reliable diesel engine, providing the power needed to handle various loads on different terrains. A dry suction excavator, also sometimes called a vacuum excavator, is a powerful piece of equipment used to safely and precisely excavate the ground by using pressurized air and a high-powered vacuum. But how does this work? First, the compressed air will be directed through a specialized nozzle breaking up and loosening the soil. Then, a powerful industrial vacuum simultaneously sucks up the loosened material through a large hose. The operator controls the air nozzle and suction hose with high precision, allowing for targeted excavation and minimizing damage to surrounding underground utilities like pipes and cables. Since it doesn't rely on forceful digging methods, dry suction excavation significantly reduces the risk of accidentally hitting underground utilities. This makes it ideal for working near sensitive areas like gas lines, water pipes, and electrical cables. The Vermeer T1255 Commander 3 Terrain Leveler is a massive surface excavation machine designed for tough jobs in civil construction, surface mining, and even some agricultural applications. It boasts a powerful CAT C18 ACER Tier 3 engine delivering a whopping 447.4 kilowatts. This translates to the muscle needed to tackle large-scale projects efficiently. Weighing in at a staggering 111 tons, the T1255's sheer mass provides the stability and traction required for demanding excavation work. Unlike traditional excavators with buckets, the T1255 utilizes a high-speed, chain-driven cutting system. This allows for precise and smooth cutting of the ground surface. The Mix-and-Go model concrete mixer comes in two main categories: skid steer attachments and portable concrete mixers. These Mix-and-Go models are purpose-built to attach to the front loader arm of a skid steer loader. This makes them ideal for construction sites where you already have a skid steer for other tasks. The Rabad F80 log splitter is a powerful horizontal log splitter designed for high-volume processing of firewood. It is a tractor-mounted machine, utilizing your tractor's PTO shaft for power. This eliminates the need for a separate engine, making it a cost-effective option. The F80 packs a serious punch with a massive 80-ton splitting force. This allows it to tackle even the toughest logs with ease, ideal for splitting large-diameter hardwood logs. It also utilizes a hydraulic system for smooth and efficient operation. This translates to precise control during the splitting process. The M545 is a walking excavator manufactured by Menzie Muck, known for its off-road capabilities and versatility. Unlike regular excavators with wheels or tracks, the M545 sits on a chassis with extendable arm-like legs equipped with wheels. These legs allow the excavator to walk over rough terrain and adapt to uneven surfaces. The M545's innovative walking mechanism allows it to conquer challenging landscapes like mountains, slopes, and uneven ground. This makes it ideal for tasks in construction, forestry, landscaping, and even disaster relief situations where traditional excavators might struggle. The wide stance created by the walking legs provides exceptional stability even on slopes and uneven terrain. This allows operators to work with confidence and precision in challenging environments. The G3B Carrot Harvester, manufactured by Univerco, is a one-row, three-point hitch machine designed for efficient carrot harvesting, particularly suited for medium to large-scale farms. It focuses on harvesting a single row of carrots at a time. This makes it ideal for farms with neatly spaced parallel rows. The G3B utilizes a 3-point hitch for attachment to your tractor's hydraulic system. This allows for easy connection and operation with most modern tractors already on your farm. The speed of both the picker and the conveyor belt can be adjusted from the tractor cabin, allowing you to optimize the harvesting process for different field conditions and carrot sizes. This has been Mighty Machines, and we hope you learned a thing or two. Before you leave, please don't forget to show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we have new uploads.